What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tech with Nat, and I'm back with another video. Same shirt because you know we do 2 videos in one day, period. Today we're gonna be talking about, should you still start a phone case business in 2020? I don't know, should you? We're gonna be diving into 5 reasons why you should or should not start a phone case business in 2020. Okay, the answer is yes, you should definitely start a phone case business in 2020. Literally, you guys, anything you want to do in 2020, just do it. Like, that's my motto for 2020. Literally, anything that I want to do, I'm just doing it, period. Even if you're underage, even if you're 12, 11, you know, ask an individual adult or your parents or whoever to help you with your phone case business. Is literally not that hard. I literally have $1 phone cases on my website right now that you can start your phone case business from there if you're not ready to make that huge investment. One thing you should definitely think before you start your phone case business is if you are passionate about it. You know, just don't start one because it's kind of a trend now. I've been noticing now that it's kind of a trend to start a phone case business, but don't just start one because you see that it's trending and you want to do it. Just be very passionate about, like, if you're like me and you literally change your phone case, you know, like 50 times a week, you should definitely, you know, look into, you know, picking out different styles for people, you know, bringing that flavor that you love so much into your business, and it definitely will be so much easier and you'll be so much more patient while dealing with your phone case business. So I'm gonna give you 3 tips that helps you start off for your phone case business right away. Number 1, when you're starting your phone case business, choosing the specific type of sizes, well, not sizes, the specific type of models that you want on hand products is pretty difficult. So my suggestion is definitely to, if you don't have historic data, definitely to look at the sizes that's trending. So right now, of course, all the iPhone 12s models will definitely be smart to get, as well as still the iPhone 11s, and I think that one of the most popular iPhone X in that group is the iPhone XR, or sometimes the iPhone XS Max, but literally no one has the iPhone X anymore. I noticed that, like, my iPhone X cases has been, you know, not really selling that good. So definitely iPhone 12, all that whole group, the iPhone 11, that whole group as well, and the iPhone XR. Okay, that's based on my historic data that I've seen in my business so far, so you're welcome. The second reason, the second tip I have for you for starting your phone case business, don't go too ham with buying inventory. You know, test out your inventory, see what your audience like, you know, see what your customer like if they like girly stuff, or if they like, I don't care how it looks, just as long as it protect my phone. You know, if they like more cases like that, definitely invest in more cases like that. Or if they like unique stuff, that's where your custom cases come in and everything. So definitely you know, don't go too ham buying the inventory that you like. Make sure you pay attention to what your customer, or what you think your customer likes, and pay attention to what is trending. You know, like pink aesthetics is trending right now, so definitely that 2000 vibe, maybe that phone case with like butterflies, the blue butterflies on it will sell good, or something that, like, you know, is very trendy, I think definitely will sell good. And the final tip, you guys, I know this video is very short, but I wanted to you know, inspire you guys, and I wanted to inspire you guys, and I wanted to let you guys know, like, it's okay, like, even though 2020 is almost over, you can still, you know, at least put 1 foot forward in starting your phone case business. You know, my comments are flooded like, oh my god, I don't know where to start, but I'm telling you, literally, just do it. I do have my consultation services now available for you guys, where you can book one-on-one with your girl, and I can help you go through all the nick and knacks and teach you more about my experience and what you should do to help you start or even grow your phone case business if you already have started one already. But our final tip, you guys, is to work on branding your phone case business. Okay, there's so many phone case businesses out there, but what really is going to help you stand out there is your branding. So if you create a phone case design from scratch, you know, put your little logo on there, you know, let people know that, you know, you took your time and created that design, you know. And don't be afraid to put your logo on there, because that's definitely your work and your creation. Let everybody see that you can only get this from, you know, Taylor Tech Shop or whatever your phone case business is. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and like and comment any video ideas that you have. I'm definitely here to help you guys and guide you guys along your way. I know there was not many focus videos, business videos, while I was starting my focus business. Definitely hope that my videos help you, you know, either grow or start your phone case business. Bye you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.